Okay.
Action. Okay, buckle in hand, strap goes over the boat. Walk around to the passenger side. Take the strap, feed it under the bar towards the front of the vehicle and back over the boat. A cut 1 or 2 twists is fine. Come on in a little bit closer here. Take the strap that's now over the front of the boat, feed it towards the rear of the vehicle underneath the bar. We're going to position the buckle a few inches above the height of the bar. Feed it through and snug it down. No lift. Do the same thing with the rear bar and you should be good to go. Give me a shout if you got any questions.